Hello and welcome. My name is Sandy Crocker, and today I will be reviewing the book titled Enneagram Type 5 by Beth McCord. I had been excited to read this book for obvious reasons because it is one book that is specific to the Enneagram 5. So if you are a 5, hi, I am a 5-wing 4. If you are wanting to get to know 5s better, we are so glad that you're here. So a little bit about Beth. She has been using per her bio, has been using the Enneagram in ministry since 2002 and is a certified Enneagram coach. She is the founder and lead content creator of YourEnneagramCoach.com and co-wrote Becoming Us, using the Enneagram to create a thriving gospel-centered marriage with her husband, Jeff. So you may have also seen her on Instagram, and she is on a couple different videos here on YouTube. Beth originally thought that she was a 5. She tested as a 5 until she got to know herself better and know the Enneagram a little bit better, and then she realized that she was a 9. But I can really tell she really likes us 5s. Sometimes there's not so very nice things that are said about us or that make us sound very cold or distant or unemotional. And yes, that sometimes can be true, but generally I don't think that's really who we are. We're just pretty misunderstood. So I think Beth understands us pretty well. As they said, this is she has a gospel-centered practice or Enneagram coaching practice. And so yes, this is Christian-based. There were a couple reviews online. I think one was on Amazon and one was somewhere else that was not very favorable of her, or of this book, I should say. And it was because they were not of a religious background. So this is from a religious perspective. She brings in God often into the equation, and I like that. So if that's something you're interested in, this would be right down your alley. Here's how I know she likes 5. She says, "Dear Type 5, I'm thankful for you because you are profoundly perceptive and capable of original, brilliant, and inventive solutions to problems. You can comfortably stand back and view life objectively, come to a complete understanding, and make decisions based on reason and knowledge without getting tangled up in your emotions." Well, there you have it. Something else that she said that was just very favorable to 5s that I liked, I wanted to highlight for you for a moment. Flip back to that, is virtue of Type 5. Non-attachment is your virtue. This allows you to have profound compassion for all living things because you see their temporary nature. I think that's amazing to see non-attachment as a virtue, and it really can be. So I think that, again, one more reason I think Beth loves us. It is divided into 21 little sections, so it's designed that you could take a little bit every day. And at the end of every little section of the 21 sections, there are some questions that she asks you that could be kind of like journaling type questions. So you could read this front to back in less than an hour if you wanted to go front to back, but if you wanted to spend a little bit of time on it, then it would take you obviously longer, and you could spread it out into the 21 days that she also mentions. As a 5, I would recommend this book. I bought it for myself, but I would have enjoyed receiving this as a very personal gift. And my love language, if you're familiar with the 5 love languages, is not even gifts, but it's acts of service. A lot of us 5s are. But I would have enjoyed receiving this as a gift. So if you are looking for a good 5 gift idea, or if you'd like to actually even give it to yourself, it would mean a lot to me if you give me a thumbs up if you got some value of this. If you've read this book, the Enneagram Type 5, let me know it down in the comments below, or if it's one that you'll be putting on your list. I'd love to hear from you, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.